40,000 years ago, a massive volcanic eruption in the Sierra Nevada mountains created something gardeners today are absolutely obsessed with. Ancient pumice feather rocks are so lightweight they practically float, yet they make the most stunning planters you've ever seen. I'm Federoff, first radio and TV personality inducted into the Green Industry Hall of Fame. And I'm about to show you how to transform one of these prehistoric rocks into a living Jurassic masterpiece. But there's one planting mistake that'll ruin the whole thing, and I'm revealing exactly what not to do. If you love unique gardening projects, like and subscribe right now. When you hold a piece of history in your hands, it's kind of hard not to wonder. All of a sudden, an eerie feeling comes over you. The sky darkens, the earth begins to shake. What's going on? I'm sure that's what they thought 40,000 years ago in the Sierra Nevada mountains when volcanic eruptions of the Mono craters manifested. In return, we get these beautiful lightweight pumice feather rocks formed by a molten lava explosion which released gases to create the distinctive spongy texture these rocks are known for. To honor this experience, what do you say we make a Jurassic planter? I'm talking historic rock, Jurassic plants, and of course, dinosaurs. If you're good at carving, you can etch into this stone a place to plant just like the Cro-Magnon man might have done, or you could pick up a feather rock that has already been carved out for you. Here we have 1, 2, and 3 cells to work with, each in a single rock. To make this as Jurassic as possible, we'll lean on plants we know that were from the area, like ginkgos, ferns, cycads, dianes, and just all kinds of weird-looking plants. And our soil, it's got to be rich and well-draining. Let's plant! So what you're going to end up doing is noticing that with your larger plants, you're going to have the larger pre-drilled holes over here, and you could literally take the container and put it inside, and technically you're done. But if you do this, I'd rather have you cut this black lip off so that it kind of molds to the rock and looks a little bit more natural. Otherwise, what you're going to do is you're going to get other plants for the holes and add a little soil here and plant just like you normally would, because there is a little drainage hole that's here. That's really kind of cool. Tap this out. Put this bad boy in here. Oh, look at this, how pretty it is. And you're taking your plant away. Now, don't be pigeonholed in thinking that you have to use plants, because one of the things that we know about the Jurassic period is that they used a lot of pine trees that they nibbled on. So use a pine cone. So you take this pine cone, you fill it up in the hole like that. What a wonderful thing you got going on here. And of course, you have to add your dinos to have that period correct Jurassic planter with feather rock that was formed over 40,000 years ago.